We need to find 3 solutions to the inequality, so we need to solve the inequality. So I need to get the v, the variable, on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and use my inverse operations. If I need to get rid of the times 6, I'm going to go ahead and divide by 6. V is going to be less than or equal to 21 over 6. So I'm going to go ahead and divide that. 6 goes into 21 3 times, you have 18. I've got a 3 left over, so that's 3 and 3 6, which if I simplify down is to 3 and 1/2. I need to find 3 solutions for this inequality. So there's actually an infinite number because this is less than or equal to. So it could be equal to 3 and 1/2. It could be equal to anything that's less than 3 and 1/2. So I could do 3, or I could do 2.5, or I could do 2, or 1.5, or I could do 0. I could even go into the negatives. Those would all work.